Hey there, welcome back to my channel. We all love to travel, but hate the hassle that comes with it. That's why today, I am diving into the ultimate travel hack, how to travel using just carry-on baggage. Yes, you heard me right. No checked bags, no waiting by the carousel, just you and your adventure. So let's get started. Since COVID-19, airlines are getting very strict on imposing various rules to increase their profit margin. The key area they focus on is check-in baggage. I have traveled only with my carry-on baggage during my last 4 holiday trips. It is super easy if you know the rules and regulations and plan smartly. The advantages of carry-on travel. Advantage 1: huge savings on the flight. Most of the airlines sell their tickets on different tires. If you select the cheapest tire tickets, which usually have no check-in baggage, you can save on your airline's tickets. For example, if I book a flight on Batik Air from Sydney to Kuala Lumpur on the 20th of October 2024, it will cost me 653 Australian dollars without check-in baggage, but 919 Australian dollars with check-in baggage. It is a savings of $266 each way if I travel only with carry-on baggage. Advantage 2: save huge time. If you fly only with a carry-on baggage, sometimes you don't need to queue up for check-in. You can check in online and go directly to the boarding gate with your digital boarding pass. You also don't need to wait on the baggage carousel at the destination airport to collect your checked-in baggage. This will definitely save you lots of time, which is always a huge advantage after a long and tiring flight. Advantage 3: hassle-free travel. It is not uncommon to lose your check-in baggage, especially when you have a short transit between 2 flights. You will be surprised to know that I have lost my checked-in baggage twice out of 5 trips, where the transit time reduced to less than an hour due to delay on the first flight. In both cases, I had to wait at the baggage carousel until all the bags are delivered, then spend another hour to report my missing baggage. They have delivered my missing baggage after 1 to 2 days. And let's not forget the freedom. You'll save time at your destination too. Imagine walking off the plane and heading straight for your adventure rather than waiting around. Sounds good, right? Now, choosing the right bag is key. You want something that's both lightweight and spacious enough for all your essentials. People have different preferences of what type of bag they are comfortable with. Whatever type you select, it is important to make sure your bag size meets the airline's carry-on size requirements. A hardshell suitcase. Great for organization and can protect fragile items. A soft duffel. Flexible. Expands when you need it and perfect for a weekend trip. A travel backpack. Hands-free convenience and perfect for all your gear. I personally love the backpack option, especially when hitting the trails or exploring a new city. There are mainly 2 rules you need to check related to your carry-on baggage. 1. Baggage size. Most airlines allow 22 by 14 by 9 inches bag, but some airlines have different size requirements. So I would suggest checking in your ticket or airline's website. 2. Baggage weight. Carry-on baggage weight for most airlines is 7 kilograms, but some airlines allow more. For example, Scoot in Japan Airlines allows 10 kilograms. Check your ticket or airline's website for details. If you travel with a lightweight backpack, camera, laptop bag, or ladies' purse, airlines do not count the weight of this bag within the weight allowance. Once you choose the right carry-on bag, it's then important to know what you need to pack. Here are a few essentials you should always have in your carry-on bag. A reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated. You can fill up your water bottle after you pass the security. I always try to avoid drinking water supplied by the airlines, unless bottled. Snacks for those unexpected hunger pangs. This is a game changer, especially for long-haul flights. A power bank to keep your devices charged. As we all rely on our mobile watch, iPad screen time during traveling, we need to keep the options to charge up these gears when necessary. Some of the aircrafts do not have charging ports. You can search on www.seatguru.com and search with your airline's date and flight number to see what facilities you have on your seat. A lightweight jacket or scarf. Airplanes can get chilly. A travel pillow, air plug, and eye mask for comfortable flight. Your travel documents and any necessary medication. Other than these essential items, you need to decide what other items you need to pack for your trip. Let's start with your toiletries. You can only carry a maximum of 100 milliliters liquid in each bottle, but not more than 1 liter total volume. These bottles need to be on a clear zip bag to pass through security smoothly. Here are a few rules I strictly follow when packing these items in my carry-on bag. Use travel-size reusable bottles for necessary items. Body lotions, creams, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, etc. I suggest to purchase a set of reusable travel-size bottles and refill them before each trip. You can save some money as it will cost a lot to purchase travel-size pack of each items. Whenever I plan to stay in hotels during my trip, I don't usually take basic toiletries like body wash, shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, etc., as all hotels provide these items with the rooms. Do not pack body spray on your carry-on bag. It is highly flammable, and security will keep this. If you are taking any container which size is more than 100 milliliters or 100 grams, security will throw it away no matter how much product left in the container. Most of us has the misunderstanding that we can carry a container more than 100 milliliters in size if the actual product inside the container is less than 100 milliliters. Security will throw it away even if you have only 10 milliliters product in a 150 milliliter container. Do not carry a shaving razor or scissor as it is sharp item and not allowed. I know packing for a trip can feel overwhelming, but I have some tips to help you out. Once the essentials and toiletries are sorted, let's focus on rest of the items you need to pack for your comfortable trip. You need to check the weather report of the destinations you are visiting closer to your travel date before you decide what type of clothing you need to pack for a comfortable trip. Let's plan for packing for a 7-day trip. If you are going for a few weeks, you need to use laundry service to keep using your cloths each week. Here are their key items you need to pack 1-week trip to warm weather destinations. Obviously, these items will change based on the weather conditions. 5 to 6 lightweight t-shirts or blouses, 1 to 2 tank tops or sleeveless shirts, 1 to 2 casual button-down shirts or cover-ups for layering or more polished looks, 2 pairs of shorts, 1 to 2 pairs of lightweight pants or skirts for evenings or cooler days, 1 pair of swim trunks or a swimsuit, 1 to 2 casual summer dresses, great for day outings or dinner, 1 lightweight jacket or cardigan for cooler evenings or air-conditioned spaces, 7 pairs of underwear, 3 to 4 pairs of socks if you'll be wearing closed-toe shoes, 1 to 2 sets of lightweight pajama or sleepwear, 1 pair of comfortable walking shoes, sandals or sneakers, 1 pair of lightweight shoes or fancy sandals to wear with casual dress, a wide-brimmed hat for sun protection, UV-protected sunglasses, scarf or shawl, light and versatile, useful for cooler evenings or as a cover-up, swimwear, extra swimsuit or cover-up if planning beach or pool time, lightweight tote or beach bag for carrying essentials to the beach or day trips. But if you go on a trip to winter destinations, your packing list can be as follows: 3 to 4 long-sleeve shirts or thermal tops for layering, 1 to 2 sweaters or fleece pullovers for added warmth, 1 to 2 casual shirts or blouses for layering under sweaters or for indoor activities, 2 pairs of thermal or insulated pants, 1 to 2 pairs of jeans or casual trousers, 1 pair of leggings or thermal underwear for layering under pants if needed, 1 warm insulated winter coat, preferably waterproof or water-resistant, 1 lightweight but warm jacket or vest for layering or milder days, 7 pairs of underwear, 3 to 4 pairs of warm socks, wool or thermal socks are ideal, 1 to 2 sets of warm pajama or thermal sleepwear, 1 pair of waterproof insulated boots for snow and cold, 1 pair of casual shoes or sneakers for indoor or less extreme conditions, 1 to 2 warm beanies or hats covering ears, gloves, mittens, 1 pair of insulated gloves or mittens, scarves, 1 to 2 warm scarves can double as a neck warmer, UV-protected sunglasses, snow can reflect sunlight intensely, portable hand warmers for extra comfort, thermal base, layers optional but useful for extreme cold, can be worn under other clothing, small umbrella, compact and handy for snow or rain. Now you know everything what you need to pack in your carry-on baggage. Here are a few packing tips to pack everything nicely to fit in your bag. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. You'll save space and keep them wrinkle-free. Choose versatile outfits. Stick to a color palette and pick items that you can mix and match. Wear your heaviest items, like boots and coat, on the plane to save space in your carry-on. Layer up. Pack items that can be layered to adapt to varying temperatures. Use packing cubes to organize everything in your bag. There you have it, my ultimate guide to traveling with just carry-on baggage. Next time you plan a trip, remember, less is definitely more. You'll not only travel faster, but smarter. Now recap some of the airline rules on carry-on baggage. These rules can be different for each airlines. So I would suggest you to check your airline's rules to avoid any last-minute surprises. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with all the knowledge you need to ensure that your carry-on is not just compliant, but also maximizes your travel experience. So let's get started with the basics. Rule number 1, size matters. Most airlines allow you to bring one carry-on bag and one personal item like a backpack or a purse. But here's the twist. Each airline has different size restrictions. For example, while some might allow bags that are 22 by 14 by 9 inches, others might limit you to 20 by 15 by 8 inches 10. It's essential to check these dimensions before you pack. Moving on to rule number 2, weight limits. Did you know that some airlines enforce weight restrictions on carry-on bags? While many low-cost carriers have strict limits, others, primarily international airlines, might not weigh your carry-on at all. I've seen bags that weigh over 10 kilograms easily get through security, but it's a risk. So how do you avoid awkward moments at the gate? Weigh your bag at home. Most luggage scales are portable and can save you from paying extra fees or having to shove items into your personal item at the last minute. Rule 3, this is where it gets a bit tricky. The TSA and other international agencies have specific guidelines on what is allowed through security. For example, liquids should be in 3.4-ounce, 100 milliliter, containers or smaller and fit into 1 quart-size clear bag. Pro tip, if you can, buy travel-sized products or transfer your face lotions and potions into smaller bottles. Believe me, your future self will thank you when you breeze through security. Rule number 4, some items are prohibited to carry onto the aircraft, especially sharp items, scissors, razors, firearms, highly flammable items, body spray, etc. All right, as we wrap up this essential guide to carry-on rules, remember that preparation is key. Keep checking your airline's policies, pack smart, and always stay aware of what you can bring. And the most important segment, enjoy your journey. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and share your own carry-on packing tips in the comments below. Happy travels and see you in the next one. Bye.